Day 6 of the 24 days of Hackmas with Katie. Hi guys, and welcome back this evening. Nice quick one for you today. My 6th day of Hackmas is an event that I kind of do with my kids every year. We each get a bin bag and we go into our rooms, we sort through our things, and we make charity bags from things, either toys or clothing that are too small or not used and played with and are in still in excellent condition, so can be donated for children who are in need this Christmas. And it's one little way of, making a bit of space, as we are fortunate enough to be able to replace those things for Christmas this year. But it just means that we can give what we can to the charities, and hopefully then those toys will get used and loved by other families. So that's my day 6 of Hackmas. Nice and speedy one today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you back here tomorrow for day 7 of the 24 days of Hackmas with Katie. Take care guys, see you soon.